So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Infibeam share. So we know that since past 2 days, the stock is performing very well. So there are few updates regarding that particular stock. So we'll discuss what are the major updates, and after that we'll go to technical charts to find out what would be the next possible target in short term as well as for long term also, how the stock may perform. So all these things we'll try to analyze. So we know that about Infibeam we used to discuss on a regular basis. So starting from the bonus issue when it has declared, so that time we have done the complete fundamental analysis about the Jio and Infibeam. So what is that particular relationship and deal? So that also we have discussed in previous videos almost 6 to 7 months back. So after that we know stock was in complete consolidation phase after the bonus. So much movement was also not seen. But since last 3 sessions, as I told, since the updates were also positive, so they made the stock rally almost, you can say currently it is near the 52 rupees region. So quickly we'll discuss all the major things and then we'll go to charts. Okay, so these were the videos that we have discussed almost 7 months back. So if you have not watched them regarding fundamentals, so definitely you can watch it, and do join the Telegram group if you have not done that, so that any instant updates will be posted. So first, going to the updates, we'll see what is the major thing that made the stock move. So that we'll try to see. Okay, so clearly you can see the update or whatever you can see in the interview. You can see the statement which is given by Infibeam Avenues. So with a partner like Mukesh Ambani's Jio, Infibeam expect to hit almost $100 billion in online transactions in the next 5 years. So this is one of the statement which made the investors at this particular stock, especially near that particular region. So already we know that Infibeam is doing a very good in online payment transactions. So if you see the latest financials also, a very good increment is present in revenues and whatever. So steadily it is trying to show what actually the company is, and it is trying to prove it that in online transactions it is the major leading player. So if you see right now, we know about JioMart. So you can see JioMart is trying for a what we call payment transaction one service. So for that it is collaborating with Infibeam. So this we know well known to us since way back, but after that we know when this $100 billion news has come, so it made much more the stock strong. So that is one reason you need to keep in mind. And apart from that, you can see JioMart is ready to handle the grocery outlet for the online payment, and you can see this is the 100 billion transaction, whatever the statement which is being given. So all these positive outcomes had made the stock continuously rally for 3 particular days. Okay, so these are the updates. So quickly let's see how the deliveries have been taken on day-to-day wise, and then we'll move on to the charts. Okay, so if we see the last 3 to 4 trading sessions, you can see on 31st May, you can see 33% deliveries have been taken, and you can see the stock has jumped around 9.7%, and the previous day also the stock has given around 10.3% positive movement. So if you see, if you go a little bit back, so that time stock was near 40 rupees region with very negligible movement. So roughly it used to go 1% negative, again 0.5% positive. So in that particular region, the stock used to trade. So another thing you need to identify here is that little traded quantity is increasing. So why? Because stock is little volatile. So now it has become little volatile because of these particular updates. So obviously traded quantity also increases, but you need to understand that little deliveries are also fluctuating. So we'll discuss what would be the next level so that you can have a fresh entry, or if you're already invested, as I got many messages that they have invested at 43, 42. So after the bonus issue, so still many people are holding it. So try to hold it. We'll see all the levels, so don't worry about it. So it's a very good stock in long term also. You may expect some very good returns. Okay, so we're back onto the technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart of Infibeam Avenues, and you can see it has closed near the 52.50 rupees level, and you can see today's movement is around 5.11%. So roughly you can say 25% is given by the stock in just 3 days. Okay, so going to the chart, so clearly you can see after the bonus issue, we know obviously the price reduces and you get the additional shares. So after that you can see it was taking the support near the pivot support of 40 42.70. It was going below that, again it was retracing, so it was completely able to sustain that. So now after giving a good reversal, you can take that particular level as a very strong support. So immediate targets, you can see 64 is visible in weekly time frame, so that can be achieved in any ways, either little bit of consolidation, little correction, or again it may start reversing. So these are the possible ways by which it can go to the 64 rupees region. So try to focus that, and support first one would be 50 rupees level. So right now, since it has closed the 50 rupees level, so you need to take that also as an important region. After that, as usual, you can focus on 45 or 42, so depending upon you. So if you're interested, definitely try to add in small portions. Already we are discussing from long back. So this is in weekly time frame, and you can see on steady basis even volume is also increasing, and money flow index is still near 52. After this much movement also, the money flow index has not gone to overbought. It implies that further momentum may be seen in the stock. Okay, so after that, if you see on 1-day chart, you can see right now in 1-day chart, it has closed above the 50-day exponential moving average, which is coming out to be near 49.22. So as I told, whenever any stock is closing above 50 exponential moving average, it is little bullish. Okay, so the immediate resistances in daily time frame, clearly you can say 54.90 is the near term resistance on daily time frame. So if it crosses that, definitely we can expect some very good move. So followed by, if you see, money flow index in daily time frame has gone to 94, so it has entered little bit of overbought region, but definitely you can focus again near the 50 rupees region, and you can considerably add in small portions. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me within Instagram. So Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.